Hello, dear investors. Today we're putting our meme coins trading bot to the test using factory settings in a session that's already been running for a while. Right now, the balance stands at 7.95 SOL in my Phantom wallet. I'll show you how the bot snags meme tokens and converts their volatility into profit. On the left, you see the bot's status, working, and a stop button for an emergency pause. In the center is the live stream of meme tokens that the bot injects into the target pool at the start of each pump. The main table now includes sell and PL columns, so you can instantly see which memes made a profit and which triggered our stop loss. What is the meme coins trading bot? Focus on meme tokens. The bot is specifically tuned for hyper-volatile memes, Doge-like coins, and community-driven projects where price moves happen in the blink of an eye. Entry-exit strategies. It leverages mempool scanners and social media patterns, tags, hashtags, mentions, for instant entry at pump launch and automatic exit once target levels are hit. Risk management, strict stop losses, and trailing take profits guard against bubbles and sharp pullbacks, striking the perfect balance between aggression and capital preservation. Wallet integration. Full support for Phantom and other popular wallets lets you control access and manage funds right from the bot's interface. Transparent analytics, win-loss charts, per-session ROI metrics, and complete trade history, all at your fingertips so you can make informed decisions and fine-tune settings. In conclusion, even with minimal effort and default parameters, our meme coins trading bot closed this session with plus 7.5 SOL net profit, turning 4 SOL into 11.5 SOL. It's an excellent tool for anyone looking to ride the meme revolution wave on Solana and capture maximum gains with controlled risk.